We have an apple tree, and I decided to take some apple from this apple tree, even though it's not a Smith apple, but it's just apple from our yard, and I'm gonna make apple pie. So let me show you our apple tree. You need 8 apples. I'm gonna clean them. It's gonna look good. We got more here, bunch here. Right, so now we have about 7, 8 apples. I think it will be good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 apples. $250 grams of cold butter. All right, got the dough here. All right, put it like this. Put it in the fridge, let it cool down. Put the paper on top and start rolling. Some flour, spray some cooking oil. All right, gently lift it up and roll it back into the pan. There you go, voila. It's beans. You pour it to make weight. Put some weight. And then you put it in the oven 15 minutes or so. Start it with the apple filling, 60 grams of butter, 4 spoons of sugar, some vanilla, lemon. Add the apple inside. Mix them together. We're going to put the dough in the oven for about 20 minutes. Cooked the dough for about 15 minutes. Butter, take it inside. Take a piece. There you go. Spread it around here. There you go, there's the pie from the tree, straight from the tree though. We have an apple tree, and this is our pie that comes out from the apple.